So good afternoon, everyone. I just want to welcome and can congratulate Dr. Megha Vashishta. She is a NEET ranker 416 in the NEET exam, and her state rank is 23rd in the UP state. I just want to congratulate her, and I want to welcome her on this platform so that she can share her experience with you, how it feel after getting a good rank, how it feel after getting a good rank, a good college, a good seat with high stipend. Means she need not to spend money, now she will get the money. So I just welcome her and want her to speak some words regarding her the experience part.
Thank you, sir. Actually, I am a pass out from ITS Dental College, Muradnagar, and I joined DAMS last year crash course batch. Now I've got this rank, and it is like a bed of roses to get a government college, and it feels like it's very happy, a very good moment to be here and getting such rank, and I really thank DAMS for that. Thank you, sir.
So she's a student of our crash course. In the crash course, basically we teach the syllabus in a very quick succession. No doubt the faculty have to work hard, but it is also the work hardness or hard work of the student which has to be there, because in crash course we teach in rapidity. So what about your experience regarding the classroom crash course?
Classroom crash course definitely was rapid, but I would say it is not like the course was shortened. The faculty gave 100% whatever was required for this course. Like, it was not that the course was cut down, only the classes were held back to back. That was the only difference I feel was from a regular batch. I could get all the material that was required for this exam in crash course as well.
So what I can say, although it is very tiring, but at the end, the all is well that ends well. It is fruitful. It is fruitful. She get good rank. So what about the faculty at DAMS? Means how you find the faculty? Or they are giving their 100% to you?
Definitely yes. The faculty here gave 100%. They start from the basics. It's not like they think you've already learned the course, you already know. They start from very basic, and they go to the advanced levels. So anyone who is weak in any subject or anything can come here and get get more knowledge and can progress with it. So it is, and each and every faculty here, be it any subject, works to the full. They do not compromise on any point. In fact, they ask us, they give more time and study more so that they can teach us more. So definitely the faculty was the best part.
So generally what happens, sometimes the faculty work hard, they teach very hardly, they teach a lot of things, but sometimes, unfortunately, sometimes it happens that the questions which come in the exam are not from the topics which we taught. But generally the faculty at DAMS is very much experienced. We know how to teach, which topic to be covered at most, means which topic should be given more preference over the other. How is your experience regarding the examination part? Means, do you find that in examination the topic which is asked from you are the topics which we have covered in the classes?
Yes, sir, definitely. DAMS faculty knew which are the more important high yielding points that have to be taught to the students. They concentrated more on those topics, and there were questions that were out of the points that were taught, but we were given such basic knowledge that in spite of not knowing that question, we could guess what the answer could be. So we could reach a conclusion and mark a answer to that question. We had that basic knowledge from here so that we could get good marks in that paper.
So sometimes what happened, we have a very short time at Delhi or some other centers, so we can teach. So we have somewhat less time for the discussion part, for the discussion of some queries, some controversies. So we always solve these controversy at a separate time, at a separate platform, and that platform of ours is the Facebook club, that is the DAMS MDS Quest Club. So on that we usually solve the queries, although we may solve it at some late time period, but we definitely solve it on time before exams. So what about your experience regarding the Facebook club?
Facebook Club has really helped me. There were many questions which used to remain unsolved, and it is not possible to complete the entire course in a period of 3 to 4 days. So the points that were left were taught us, were explained to us on Facebook Club, and definitely there were questions in the paper which were directly picked up from the Facebook Club. A question that was solved 3 days before the exam came, exact question came in NEET MDS exam. So this was of great help. We can also revise when there are different people who are studying the posting questions, and then when we are seeing our Facebook Club, we get questions and we revise those questions, and teachers are explaining to the fullest. They give the entire explanation so that any question which comes nearby hitting that is also solvable at the time of exam.
So solving of the queries on the regular coaching time period may take your coaching time. So what we do, we don't go for a lot of wastage of the teaching time at the classes. We do it on the separate platform, that is the MDS Quest, and it is very fortunate that we get a lot of questions from the queries which we have solved only for few days back. Then there is no fun of teaching only without any exam. So whenever we have teaching, we have to conduct the exam so as to know the knowledge of the student, what they gain from the coaching. So we used to conduct a lot of tests. A lot of tests is being given to the student. So what about your experience regarding the tests which we have in the DAMS?
I regularly used to give all the tests in DAMS are online tests. I used to give them regularly, and the questions also have their explanations. So I used to download that and used to revise, and I used to keep on revising them. And there were direct picks from the question papers in DAMS papers. So it really helped, and I could analyze where I'm standing, and when the next exam I used to give, I got to know that, okay, am I improving or not? So that helped.
So definitely our basic guidance from the teacher side is that if you know the things, you have to give tests so that it can be judged. Sometimes we know that we know the things, but we cannot deliver it on the time. So before main exam, always give a lot of tests, and DAMS is always giving a lot of tests to the students. So it's a very full-fledged interview, but for the at the last, I want to just want that what is your message for the juniors, how they should prepare for the exam, what is your experience regarding the this particular preparation. Sometimes students feel somewhat low, sometimes they go in a wrong direction, means study a lot of vague things. So just give them some direction so that by what direction they should proceed and can achieve the MDS goal at a shortest time, means the pathway part.
See, actually it is not possible to complete the entire course. It is not at all possible. So be focused. First of all, just concentrate on the points which are important, which are very important, high yielding points. Do not go into the difficult parts, because ultimately only 1 or 2 questions might come from them, which are very difficult portions of dentistry. So keep your basics strong, only that will fetch you marks. And just work hard. It is possible. Don't just demotivate yourself. It is actually possible, and you can do it if you are focused on it.
So in conclusion, I can conclude that the first key to get success is that you should work hard. You must be working for it, number 1. Number 2, your direction should be correct. You have to go in a correct direction. Number 3, sometimes some things look simple and some things look very difficult. So don't run behind the difficult things. Just cram the simple things, because the chances of getting a high-fi question in the exam is very less. The chances of getting simple question in the exam is very high. And if a high-fi question come in the exam, you may not be able to solve it, and it may be possible that 99% of the students who are working, they are not able to solve it. So don't worry about the hard things. Stick to the basic. Work hard. Work hard is the key, and the second key is the correct direction, and the third key is the stick to the basic. Keep your basic clear. So by this, I should conclude this particular interview, and I should congratulate Dr. Dr. Megha Vashishta once again. Thank you very much. Thank you.